investing or non-investing just to protect you, your family, your business. Again, that's on our farm. You can learn about it. So, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. And tonight we're raffling off Lloyd's book. He has three of his favorite F words in his book. That's finding, fixing, and flipping. So that's the book. It's kind of appropriate to the topic today. So I'm going to have you pick a name. Hopefully you can read it.
Sean Stewart.
Shonda Stewart. Oh, you got to be present. Shonda Stewart. Nope. Okay, next one.
Juan Molta.
One. What, everybody need? Oh, there you are. Yep. Okay, that was it. ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Amy and Lois, and we're here to protect your ass. Says.